Hello YouTube, so today we are going to be sorting out all the cabling for this rack, and I'll be finishing up some documentation, so yeah, I'm also going to be obviously kind of dusting everything off. I've just kind of blown it, the area around because we don't have a sealed floor. Sometimes it does get a little bit dusty in here with our leaf blower, so all the floor's kind of clean now. So yeah, but today gotta fix all this mess. So yeah. So yeah, let's get to it. So now I'm at the point where everything needs to be shut down so I can actually start, you know, messing with all the cables without, because at the moment none of the networking's redundant. Like eventually these will be redundant, so I could basically do it live, except for like power cables and stuff, but I can't do that at the moment. None of it's redundant, so yeah, we've got to go shut it down. Oh, you also might notice that we're missing a thing here. This is normally upper U, and we're missing one of these servers because I'm swapping the motherboard and everything out of it for a new Pt.6 box. So that video is hopefully going to be up by the time this one's out, or soon after. But yeah, so that will be our new Pt.6 box, because this one doesn't have AES-NI, I think, and the power supply is dead on it. So the advantage it gives us is an iDirect, but that was basically the only thing that this box can do that the other one could not. So I don't, need to go into the console a lot with that. If I do, obviously, just have KVM monitor keyboard. So yeah, I'll go inside and shut everything down. So we're gonna shut down the netbox. I just did a Control-C to get out of the whatchamacallit window, the window that it runs while it's running. And then we gotta go shut down now. Now we'll send it into a shutdown. And then for MineOS, console, we can just hit advanced, and then shut down. Yes, I've already stopped everything else on there. Let's see, what's this doing? Oh, I can probably just do this because it's thing. Yeah, it's probably fine. So yep, I've already shut down the Plex, and then when that's down we can just go into there and shut down node. Yes. So now everything that requires being shut down should be shut down in our lab, and I could just pull the plug on everything else. Oh no, wait, the FreeNAS server. I forgot that last time, so that is at 192.168.178.41. Because it's on my other network. Admin. Or is it root? Yeah, it is. So we can save that. Oh, running kind of hot there. Yeah, as you can see, there is it's quite full. So we're gonna do a shutdown. Confirm shutdown. Yep. So they will shut down the FreeNAS system. And then we now should be good to go and pull everything out. So everything's kind of shut down now, except for this, and that's it, actually. Oh, and this and this. So now we can start pulling the plugs. So that's Apple server. Slight bit less noise there, because that has some noise from power supplies even when it's not running. That's offline there. This is the WAN switch. Then core 1 and core 2. And the only thing online is this, but that's passively cooled. So, silence. Whole rack is shut down. So, better get cracking. Don't want too much downtime. And re-cable everything. So, time lapse it is. So hopefully, I think I've got everything cabled in. So I've done all the servers individually. So they're individual, kind of all the way up to the switches. I need to get a couple of covers for there and there. It has nothing in it, so it doesn't really matter as much. But I'd like one for there. But we have power cabled in. So this is the main power. And that is all the production kind of stuff. And then this is all the non-production, so my AP. It does have this router on it, but that router will hopefully be moved soon. And it has the screen and the light. Yeah, I've also kind of like labeled everything for now, the power. So you can see the, yeah, they're all done like that. Which is pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to fire everything up and hopefully we don't blow a fuse. Not much of this gear should turn on when I give it power. That server and that server might, but these switches and these switches will, and that router, but the Apple server shouldn't. And they might not, and that FreeNAS server won't. So yeah, this is what the rack looks like now from the front. Yeah, I might 3D print some like cable management for this. But yeah, so moment of truth, I guess. Okay, I think that's everything that's going to turn on is turned on. So we'll power on Plex. Oh, it's quite dusty. So Plex, turn on. And why does that have no power? I'll have to look into that. Yeah, a lot of these servers are getting quite dusty. I should dust them out sometime. But it's a lot. It's a big pain, you know, when these three are. Sorry, you can't see. These three are stacked up like that. Oh, actually, they're all stacked up like that. Yeah, it's just a bit of a pain, you know, but. Because I was thinking about putting some more RAM in this, because I just have it lying around, so why not? But, nah, because they're all stacked up and I can't be bothered taking them all out. We've also got to play with this sometime, I believe it's a layer 3 switch. That would be pretty cool. But yeah, so Pt.6 on. Sorry, Proxmox. And then I'll have to troubleshoot this, so I'll get back to you when I've figured out why that's not working. I just had a loose cable on that, so that's booting up now. And so is the FreeNAS box. So yeah, I just had to reach in and turn it on. But other than that, everything for now should boot up and be operational. So yeah, I believe this is probably the end of the video, so thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more like this, and see you next time.